In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Canva, a quick and easy process that anyone can follow. First, head over to canva.com. Here, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. You can find the login button conveniently located at the upper right corner of the homepage. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one. For those who prefer quick access, you can log in using your Google or Facebook accounts, or simply by entering your email address. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to dive into designing. Moving forward, direct your attention to the three horizontal lines you see on the left corner of the screen. Click on these lines to open the main menu, and then select Create a Design. This action will take you to a page where you can choose from a variety of templates and design types. Whether you're looking to create a presentation, a social media post, or a custom-sized canvas, there's a template to fit your needs. Select the template or type of design you wish to start with, and you'll be taken to the next stage where the magic happens. Now focus on the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find the Elements tab within the editor. Click on this tab to explore the numerous resources available for your design. Here you can either browse or directly search for what you need. For our purpose today, let's type the word table in the search bar and then hit enter. It's important to note that Canva offers a variety of table layouts, which means you'll have plenty of options to choose from based on your specific requirements and aesthetic preferences. Once the list of table designs loads up, take a moment to glance through them. Selecting a table that complements your overall design theme is key, so choose the one that best fits your project. Click on your preferred table to add it to your design canvas. The table will now appear on your template, and from here you can adjust its size, format, and color scheme according to your liking. Canva's intuitive design tools make it effortless to modify elements and ensure your work aligns with your creative vision. After you have successfully customized your table and arranged it perfectly with the rest of your design elements, it's time to save your work. Canva allows you to download your project in various formats, including PNG and PDF, directly onto your device. Additionally, you can share your freshly designed creation with collaborators or post it directly to social media platforms. And just like that, adding a table to your Canva project is as simple as it gets. So there you have it, a swift and seamless guide to incorporating tables into your Canva designs. Follow these steps and you'll be enhancing your visual work with structured data in no time. Happy designing!